Good to see you guys again. Hopefully you guys are smiling over the camera. Monday morning, I got a couple of news from you guys, a couple of articles that I read on the Wall Street Journal about the social media. They're running on some issues on their users, daily users. Also, I got something that is getting really mysterious with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies on who is backing them on the reserves. Stay tuned for that. Hey guys, welcome to SImplechew. I'm your host Hank, and if you're new to my channel and you're looking for investment news, some business growth and personal growth, I consider you to subscribe as I continue to deliver you guys some investment news, how to grow your business and how to grow yourself at the same time. So I was reading on the Wall Street Journal that a lot of social media are losing a lot of friends, and we know that most of their business is gathering more people, getting more people to use their platforms, because that way they can tap into big companies and sell them ads and then put them for people to see them on their platform. It seems like Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat have been losing a lot of users, monthly users, and it's getting really dangerous on their evaluations for next quarter. So Facebook, one of the biggest and most active, reported on the second quarter report that they lost monthly users for the first time this year. Also, Snapchat reported their first time dip for a super young company. Is kind of dangerous for their current evaluations going forward from this. Twitter also reported some losses. They were expecting to gain actually, because in the past they have reported losses on users, monthly users, and they were expecting like 2.2 million users to keep using their platforms, and actually they lost 1 million users the second quarter, so that's not really good, as monthly users and daily users are the biggest assets of these social medias. The investors had driven their stocks around 16% down, which is not good. It lost a couple $1 million in valuation. According to Wall Street analysts, they still give it a high valuation and high index points, even though they have these user declines. They believe that this is just a temporary problem, and in the future they're still really profitable on their ads, and they are continuing to improve their security, with all this fake news and people creating bots and stuff. So it's still hope. It's still they're still great companies. So we just need to wait to see how it plays out. According to Visible Alpha, they believe that Facebook's monthly user is going to increase in 2020 for around 3 billion users. So we need to just wait it out and see what happens. I believe that Facebook, Twitter, and Snap, they're gonna be here for a long time. Most of us are addicted to the social media platforms. So I don't think there's anything to worry about just yet, but let's continue and monitor it, and I'll continue to deliver the news to you guys. So have you ever guys wondered why it is backing up Bitcoin, or if it's getting backed up by anything? Meaning, if there's something, sometimes money was backed up by gold or by some precious metals in the past. Now it's not backed up with anything, but Bitcoin is a young currency, and a lot of people are wondering if they're getting backed up by gold or cash, or what is it. So this has been a mysterious shadow behind this Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies overall. So it said that Tether is backing up a lot of the cryptocurrencies. That has become like a bank for a lot of these cryptocurrencies businesses that can't actually have a real bank transactions or relationships. So Tether is another cryptocurrency that is believed to be tied with a US dollar, in some ways. And one of the mysterious or things that a lot of people don't understand about Tether is that Tether is one of those cryptocurrencies that's not swinging a lot in prices, and it's believed because one Tether is equal to $1, so making it more stable and being able to be a reserve for every other cryptocurrency out there in Bitcoin. If it's believed that Tether is the reserve for Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies, it's important to evaluate if Tether actually have this reserve sitting in a bank, and also if their evaluation is true too, because in the market right now they have around 2.5 billion coins in the market and just circulating, so it's important to see if they actually have that. Tether has never been audited, and it's really dangerous for something like that not to be audited, especially if people believe that they're the reserve for Bitcoins. As we can see, they're really swinging in prices, and we need something that stabilizes it. And Wall Street Journal said that they hired an accounting firm, Friedman LLP, to do an audit on the reserves to see if they really are holding this money and what are their evaluations of their reserves. But they haven't released any report yet. And this was last year. I don't know what's taking so long, but I'll keep you guys tuned because this is really important for cryptocurrency to grow and to be more stable and to be believed by more serious investors, and we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully after watching this video you have a better understanding of what's going on in the investment world. Facebook losing some users, all the social medias are. Tether, the reserve for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, that's going to be interesting to see if they release those reports to see if they actually have that cash. Also guys, remember to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at SImplechew. And always remember, keep it simple.